what if I tell you within the next 5 minutes I can teach you how to navigate the guitar neck? Hey everybody, if you're new here, my name is Dimitris, I'm an artist, musician and a guitar player. And in today's video I want to share with you a very valuable lesson I've learned and something I've been teaching my students over the past 10 years. The guitar at first glance is really overwhelming to understand, but if I give you this little cheat code, as I like to call it, it's really easy to navigate it and understand where you are in the neck. I want you to pay attention into two things, two very important things. The first one thing that is really simple is that from the nut of the guitar to the 12th fret is the fret that we have the two dots. That's one full octave. So everything from here to here, so everything from the nut to the 12th fret, duplicates or repeats from the 12th fret on. So in simple English, what you have to do is learn everything from the nut to the 12th fret and then just, repeat after that. That's really important. Once you understand that, that means you only have to learn everything from here backwards. So that's always a good thing. And another really important thing, I think that's the most important thing of this video, that if you have to learn one thing, it's this one. When it comes to music, we use letters. We use the A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. It's really important to know that all of these notes have sharps, apart from two. The ones that don't have sharps is the note B and it's the note E. What that means is, if we take the alphabet and we say the first note is A, the second note is A sharp, the third note is B, then the fourth note is going to be not B sharp, because as we said we don't have a sharp on the B, it's going to be C. The next note is going to be C sharp, then D sharp, E, F because E doesn't have a sharp, F sharp, G, G sharp, back to the A. This is really important to know, because if I take the open A string, for example, which is the second lowest string, the open string. If I take the sequence that is on your screen right now, and if you want to follow me along on this one, feel free to. If I take the open A and then play one fret at a time, I'm gonna have this sequence. So A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, because we don't have an E sharp, F sharp, G, G sharp, back to A. Hopefully it's easy so far to follow along. Let me give you another little secret. So if I go and do exactly the same to the open E string, the lowest string of the guitar, what I will do now is, instead of start the sequence from the A note, I will start the sequence from the E note. Follow exactly the same thing, and once I reach the A, I'm gonna repeat the notes. So open E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. If you do this on all strings, you immediately know all of the notes and you can work your way around everything. So if I tell you to play a B note on the G string, all you have to do is go to the G string, take the sequence from that G string and then go G, G sharp, A sharp, B. There you go, I found a B. What if I want to find a D on the A string? Again, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D. It's really simple. It's more about how you can memorize things. And I don't want you to memorize all of the strings. I don't think it's that important. I think it's more important to memorize this algorithm and the sequence and the way to work things out. Something else as well, as a little tip I can give you to finish this lesson off, is everywhere you are, you can always go backwards. So if you want to play a C note, instead of trying to figure out how can I go from, let's say you want to play a C note on the D string, instead of going from the D, open D, all the way to the C note, what you can do is you can go you can go D, C sharp, C, right? So you can go backwards. So I hope this little tip helps you and makes this process easier. I hope that was a helpful and valuable lesson. If you want me to do more videos, please let me know what I should cover next. And thank you for sticking to the end. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to drop your thoughts down in the comments below and subscribe for future videos. Anyway, thank you for making it this far to the video, and I will see you on the next one.